Slide the zipper slider onto a fork. Then insert the broken zipper from both sides into the slider to reconnect the teeth. While holding the fork, gently pull the zipper so the slider moves back into place. This will align the teeth again, and the zipper will start working like before. It is a simple trick that can quickly fix a broken zipper without replacing it. Open a safety pin, straighten it, and place it against a lighter. Take strong electrical tape and wrap it around the lighter to secure the pin in place. Cut a piece of tape with scissors. Now heat the pin with the flame. The heated pin will easily cut through styrofoam in a clean and precise shape. The lighter works as a comfortable handle and a heat source. A woman from a shoe store shared this trick with me. Pull the back of the paper up toward your ankle. Fold both sides inward and fit them snugly around your foot. Now fold the larger part of the newspaper in from both sides, pressing it down with your hand to make it narrower. Tuck the bottom part underneath and shape the sole. Fold the excess paper and hook it onto the back of the newspaper that was pulled up. Done. Simple newspaper slippers that insulate your feet from a cold floor. My grandma showed me a trick to make my son's shoes last longer. It has made my life so much easier. We all know how quickly kids' feet grow. You might pull out your child's shoes from the closet one day, only to find that they're too tight. This simple hack can stretch shoes by up to one size. All you need are two things: a Ziploc bag and water. First, fill the Ziploc bag with water and seal it tightly to prevent any leaks. Then, place the bag inside the shoe. Now, all you need to do is put the shoes in the freezer and leave them overnight. As the water freezes, it will expand and stretch the shoes from the inside. The next day, remove the bags and let the shoes dry. I guarantee the shoes will fit better. This trick also works for new shoes that might be causing blisters. However, if your child walks unevenly, this hack won't help, and you'll need to visit a shoe store to find a better fit. Instead of putting socks on my feet, I put them over my shoes. This trick works brilliantly in winter. The fabric increases friction and acts like a makeshift anti-slip layer on icy sidewalks. Just pull a sock over your shoe and you're good to go. It helps you walk more confidently without stress or fear of slippery pavement. Take this with you from home and spray the soles of your shoes. I don't leave the house in winter without it. Apply it thoroughly so the entire sole is covered. A slightly sticky layer forms, helping the sole grip slippery surfaces better. All you need is regular hairspray. It's an ideal solution for icy and wet sidewalks, especially when you need to head out right away. Remember to reapply it regularly, as the hairspray layer gradually wears off while walking. There's also another method that's just as simple and quick. Use adhesive bandages. Only 2 are enough. Stick them to the soles of your shoes, but the way you apply them matters. Placing them in an X shape creates an effective anti-slip layer. Do the same with the other shoe. Remember to replace the bandages when they wear out or peel off. Just like the hairspray, the effect isn't permanent, but it works very well and is more than enough for a short walk or getting to work safely. Spray this on your winter hat, and your problem will disappear for good. I always carry it in my bag during winter. Static hair is a common issue, especially in the colder months. Wearing a hat combined with dry air makes the situation even more frustrating. The level of hair static depends on its structure, weather conditions, and the materials in our clothing. After removing your hat, your hair stands on end and flies in every direction. A good solution to reduce static is to use an anti-static spray. You can buy one in stores or make it at home in just a few minutes. Take a clean spray bottle, fill it about 3/4 full with distilled water, which acts as the base of the mixture. Then, add vinegar to fill the remaining space, as it has anti-static properties and helps balance pH. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin helps keep hair less dry and less prone to building up static, effectively reducing the problem. Shake well before use, then spray your hat. Your hair will stop electrifying, and you can enjoy the winter weather without worrying about your hairstyle. Don't do this if you wouldn't want your leather shoes to last for years. This trick was shown to me by my uncle, who has worked as a cobbler for many years. Shoes made of genuine leather absorb moisture easily without proper protection, which quickly leads to damage. But I have a solution for that. Add 1 tablespoon of baby shampoo to a bowl. It's gentle, doesn't dry the leather out, and helps clean the surface without damaging its structure. Then pour in about 2 fluid ounces of olive oil, which nourishes, softens, and protects the leather from cracking. Also add about 2 fluid ounces of vinegar. The vinegar helps protect the leather from moisture. Finally, add a few drops of lavender essential oil, which has antibacterial properties and leaves a pleasant scent. Mix everything thoroughly with a spoon so the ingredients combine well. Apply the prepared mixture evenly to the shoes and spread it carefully over the entire surface. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Remove the excess with a paper towel. After a few minutes, reach for Vaseline. Apply a small amount with a cotton swab, focusing on creases and dry areas. Leave the shoes for about 1 hour so the leather can absorb everything. Finally, wipe them with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any residue and give them a subtle shine. Thanks to this method, you'll waterproof your shoes for many seasons to come. I will reveal the secrets of perfectly maintained shoes, just like from the store, that you definitely didn't know about. Put a bay leaf in your shoes. It's a simple trick with 2 great uses. The bay leaf absorbs sweat, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and repels insects. Just place 1 in each shoe overnight. Additionally, it's said that keeping a bay leaf in your shoes attracts good energy and luck. Throw these balls into your shoes, and they will be like new. Mix baking soda, dish soap, and hydrogen peroxide. Form the paste into smaller balls and let them dry. To clean your sneakers, place them in warm water, add a ball, and rub the stains. After a few minutes, scrub with a brush. Here's a trick that will let you dance all night in new or uncomfortable high heels, even if you bought them right before the party. Put freezer bags in your shoes, fill them with warm water, not boiling, and leave them for 10 minutes. The material will stretch, the shoes won't pinch anymore, and you'll be able to enjoy the evening pain-free. Add this to your laundry, and your shoes will be snow white. To safely wash sneakers in the washing machine, choose a delicate fabric program, set the temperature to a maximum of 40 degrees, and use a low spin speed. The key trick? Throw a thick terry towel into the wash. It will prevent the shoes from banging against the drum and ensure perfect cleaning. This way, your shoes will be cleaner than ever. Your shoes don't smell the best? Here's an effective trick. Spray the inside of your shoes with alcohol or disinfectant to kill bacteria. Remove the insoles, spray them, sprinkle with baking soda, and rub it in. After a few minutes, rinse and dry them, especially in sub-zero temperatures. Take out the insoles from your winter shoes and trace them on thin cardboard. Then, cut them out. Take aluminum foil. Wrap the cardboard insole with it. It's important for the shiny side to be facing up. Insert the prepared insole into the shoe, under the standard insole. Cardboard insulates from the cold. The foil reflects the heat from the foot and helps maintain a higher temperature in the shoe. This simple trick prevents feet from freezing even in sub-zero temperatures. It works especially well for shoes with thin soles.